Hi, I'm Wayne from Australian Earthmoving. I hope you're well. Man, have I got a treat for you today or what? With a truly unique, innovative and extremely impressive machine from JCB that's revolutionising roadworks. Unveiling the JCB Pothole Pro, the ultimate solution for efficient and safe pothole repairs. The JCB Pothole Pro is a groundbreaking new machine designed to revolutionise the roadworks industry for councils and contractors. With its innovative features, this state-of-the-art machine is set to transform the way pothole repairs and road maintenance are carried out. Powered by a high-performance JCB EcoMax engine, the JCB Pothole Pro boasts exceptional horsepower and speeds of up to 40 kilometres an hour when moving between sites, providing the necessary strength and pace to tackle even the most challenging road surfaces with ease. The cab of the JCB Pothole Pro includes a range of advanced features and a focus on ergonomic design. The high seating position offers unobstructed 360-degree views within the cab, enabling operators to work with confidence in congested urban areas, safeguarding pedestrians and vehicles alike, while the smooth ride system ensures operator comfort for long days in the cab. The standout feature of the JCB Pothole Pro is its ability to seamlessly execute the cut, crop, clean process developed by JCB. With the side-shifting planer, the machine efficiently cuts against the roadside curb, while the self-leveling mechanism guarantees consistent results, regardless of the gradient. To further enhance the longevity of repairs, the dedicated cropping tool creates a uniform hole profile that ensures long-lasting patches. The JCB Pothole Pro also excels in its cleaning capabilities as well. Equipped with a 1200mm wide sweeper collector featuring dust suppression, it swiftly prepares potholes in a matter of minutes. The machine's versatility allows operators to collect and dump chippings effortlessly, using either bucket mode or by engaging the brush, significantly reducing the time required for road surface preparation before relaying. When it comes to efficiency, the JCB Pothole Pro is a game changer. It enables operators to complete pothole repairs swiftly with an average repair time of just 8 minutes, which can equate to 250 metres squared of repairs a day or 700 potholes a month. The exceptional speed combined with the machine's outstanding capabilities also translates into significant cost savings for those carrying out road maintenance projects. On average, a pothole repair with the JCB Pothole Pro costs $55, just $55. This offers tremendous value for money, making it an attractive option for infrastructure service providers nationwide. From the comfort of the operator's seat, adjustments to the 600mm planer can be easily made thanks to hydraulic depth and tilt control. This not only enhances safety, but also maximises performance, ensuring optional results every time. The JCB Pothole Pro is currently being demonstrated to current and potential customers within Australia, showcasing its practicality and effectiveness in the field. JCB demonstrator Richard Matthews, he's been conducting these demonstrations as part of the brand's commitment to showcase the machine's capabilities. Customers witness firsthand how the JCB Pothole Pro completes tasks that would typically require 20 to 30 minutes of manual labour with a jackhammer, achieving the same results in just 4 minutes. These demonstrations reinforce the machine's exceptional efficiencies and highlight its potential to transform road maintenance practices. JCB CEA views the JCB Pothole Pro as a true game changer for the industry, with its suitability for use nationwide. The machine's powerful performance, advanced features and cost-effective nature makes it an invaluable asset for infrastructure service providers across the country. As an industry leader in construction and heavy machinery, JCB CEA is proud to offer this groundbreaking innovation, confident that it will reshape the future of roadworks and significantly improve efficiency and safety standards in the Australian road maintenance industry. The cut, crop, clean process. We'll start with the cut, featuring a 600mm planer, and it's the planer with dust suppression. 1.3 metre traverse to the left, to the curbside, can cut to a depth of 170mm. It's tried and tested on a variety of surfaces including HRA. 8 degrees of tilt either way, hydraulic depth control with the option of either powered or floating tilt. The 600mm cropping tool. It's a dedicated cropping tool mounted on the JCB multi-tool. 600mm wide blade to match the planer width. And note, there's a variety of blades that can be fitted, offering further versatility. It's perfect for operating around obstacles. And finally, clean with the 1.2 metre sweeper. It's a sweeper with dust suppression. The hydraulic ram enables bucket mode to collect a large volume of materials. Significantly reduces parts wear and replacements. It's optimised for small potholes up to big patches. This truly is an amazing bit of machinery and an absolute game changer. I'm so impressed by it that I had to feature it on the latest edition of Australian Earthmoving magazine with the full feature article on the pages within. You can check out our website, australianearthmoving.com.au, to subscribe to the printed magazine or to just read the digital edition. There's a link there too. Of course, the best way to find out all of the specs and information on this Pothole Pro is to contact your local JCB dealer, and you can find their details at jcbcea.com.au. I have to say, special thanks to JCB CEA for giving us a heads up on these machines. There's only 2 in Australia, and especially to Roadworks, they've given us full access to their machines. One, of course, is out working. This is a brand new one that will be demonstrated. So I am extremely privileged to have access to it and allow us to climb all over it so that we can show you. Your support also is so important because it gives us this access. So thank you to everybody that was involved. What an awesome machine. Like, comment, subscribe, all the YouTubey things. And if you've got a really cool machine or project, let us know what's happening. So check out the magazine. I'll put all the links for everything below. Happy digging.